Hello, this is Emilio Melendez, and we're here in Urbanización Las Flores in Vega Baja. I'm going to take you a real fast tour. This is the outside. We have a little shed here in the back before we go inside. And again, Vega Baja, Urbanización Las Flores. We have a little shed area here. Washing area here. Now, you have a lot of space here to park. Put there a boat, jet ski, a car. Now we're going here to the entrance, the main entrance. It's 2 stories. And we're walking in the main area. This is the living room, the kitchen, and the dining area. We also have come into the kitchen this way. And upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So we're walking up the stairs now. Very high area. I'll count the stairs when I come down. Now we're here on the 2nd floor, and basically you have 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, they all have closets. In front of it is the bathroom. Bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. Also has a closet. And again, this is Emilio Melendez from BoricuaRealty.com. Thank you very much.